What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another day here, 15th of June. About halfway through the month here. Today, we're going to take a look at Xrp USD. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin, share some of my thoughts, and wrap this video up here. So some volatility, to say the least here, for the Xrp holders. Before we start this video, let's look at the Bitcoin chart, guys. So something's playing out that we had spoke about in the past. So a couple things here. So for Bitcoin, we are under this neckline here in gray. That's obvious. Once we rallied off of 25.7, let's see, what was the level? 26.23. We rallied up. Resistance, lower high, 28,249.67. That's that blue line. And then we did chop around for a couple days, finding support at 25,760, 25,726, 26.23, and then ultimately reversed and broke down. So I said there's a chance of potential support right around this 24,500 level, which represents these highs right here back in February of this year. So we're pulling back. You could see we have a little bit of support yesterday at that level and a little bit of support so far today. I don't know how long that's going to hold, obviously. We'll see what happens, but that's an area. Here we are. I said there's a chance we find some support at 24,500, and there we are at 24.9. That's the level. 24.9 to 25,000 is the level, there. And we'll see how long that holds. My next major level is down here at 22,620. That's this white line on the chart. So not too much in between here. Potentially finding some support here at 23,635. If we find support in rally, we could run into resistance pretty quick up there again at 25,700, 25,760. Basically the lower end of this range. So what was once support, flipping potentially, turning into resistance. So that's what's pretty much going on right now in the way I see this for Bitcoin. And there's always that outside move that, some news event comes out and, can either move the market directly down very fast or directly up very fast. So sometimes this pattern that is moving down here can actually be a breakout to the upside. So that is, that's just news related basically. And, that can come at any time, no matter what the market situation is. So keep your eye on Bitcoin. It's usually going to carry over to what the rest of the market is doing, guys. So for XRP, guys, major resistance once again at 55 cents. Crazy important level. It's been for a while. We spoke about this in the last XRP video. Give me 1 second here. Drink some coffee. So this has been resistance once again. We had resistance one time over here in September. Didn't quite get there in October. Major resistance over here in March. Couple small tests, not quite up to there in April. In June of this year, and then we actually traded above that on the 13th of June, the good old Hinman day. So major resistance, and it hit that level and basically got, what's that game, like whack-a-mole? Pops up, you smash it with that like hammer thing, that bat, and boom, gets pushed back down. Basically what happened with XRP at 55 cents. Also, we did not hold at 508.42. Big old failure there. We failed at 48,700. We failed. We actually found support at 48,001, but we did trade below 47,710 as well as 47,260, and we might have hit the 46,039. So big time volatility. Today's an inside day so far. Not much going on, but we are supporting at 47,060. Let's look at the smaller time frame. So you can see we potentially have a double bottom here. This is the 3-minute time frame, guys. Didn't quite get down to 46,039. Basically found support at 47,060. Chopping around our 48,001. 001, excuse me. We just pulled back down 47,060 again, chopping around. This is a potential double bottom here, setting up for a move to the upside. Don't know if it'll happen, but it has a look. This is the 3-minute time frame, by the way. Let's head back to the daily, guys. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the subscribers hanging around, checking out the channel. So let's walk through a couple scenarios here, guys, and let's not forget that 55-cent area, right? So let me draw a rectangle. That 55-cent area represents this whole upper range here. Let's not forget that this rally right here into the lawsuit, I believe this was the lawsuit time, 2020, 2021. Let's not forget that this area right in here found major resistance slightly above 55 cents. Our top came in basically at the mid to high 60s, and then we rolled over. We did actually rally all the way up to $1.96, I believe. So the lower end, called the box method in previous videos, the lower end of this box represents essentially right around that 55-cent zone, which was broken on the to the downside in May of 22, May of last year, a little over a year ago. So, you know, what was once support flipped about a year ago, a little more than a year ago, and has been bumping its head on that ever since as major resistance. You know, eventually maybe the price will get back above that. We don't know. But it is testing it and has tested it. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times with 3 major tests essentially in the last year. So keep that in mind, something to just note that 55 cent, there is a lot of supply above that market. So that's something keep in mind. Also, guys, there's a chance that if these levels don't hold, so we have a ton of levels, as you can tell, all these lines are potential support areas. Why are they support? They are support because they are below the current price. Lines on my chart that are above the market, so anything basically above 47,305, acts as potential resistance and targets. Just like 55 cents was a resistance level as the price approached. As you can tell, it worked perfectly. Once again, the price is not quite ready to get above that. So below, support, potential support as price approaches. There's a chance that this thing, let's get the drawing tool here, wherever it is, I think it's here. There's a chance that we are heading down to the support line down here. So, you know, depending on when it gets there, if it got there, you know, if it got there today, that level would be basically 38 to 39 cents. If it got there, you know, in basically July, a month from today, that level would be essentially 39.40 cents. So it's right around that 38 to 40 cent mark for XRP. Not saying it's going to go there, but It might. We'll see. Who knows if the lawsuit will even be over by then? You know, it's been weeks away for years basically. So who knows? So this white line down here, I'm trying to adjust the chart. This white support line has held many times. And you can see when we got up to this 55-cent area and we got major resistance, what happened to the price? Got pushed way back down to that support line. Support, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We didn't quite get there over here. That's 6 times essentially. And here we are at the 47 or so cents. So there's a chance that we're heading back down to test that line again. The fear is the more we test that line could potentially break. We had a big shakeout over here in the 2nd of January of this year. If that's the case, it's not good. There is much lower targets for XRP. I have some way down here. Looks like my lowest actually is 18 cents. I don't think I have anything lower than that. I do have one at 0.1. That's based on something different though. But 18 cents is way down there. So we'll see. Anything's possible. So if Ripple wins this lawsuit, more than likely the price isn't going down. Okay. If XRP loses this lawsuit, more than likely the price isn't going up. I guess it depends on what the outcome is, but if XRP wins this lawsuit, there's a chance that the price, moves higher. And I would imagine the rest of the market would move higher as well, Bitcoin and so on. So we'll have to see what happens. Now this is pure, tin hat stuff right here. Perhaps this is the last shakeout, to shake people out, run stops before some kind of a positive settlement comes out and the price rockets from here. This 55-cent area is major resistance. It's also a major breakout zone. Major. So we'll have to see. But that is pure tin hat stuff, guys. XRP, I've said it in other videos, it's pretty good at disappointing. So to see something like this take place, buy the rumor, sell the news, this was a perfect example of that. Market rallied right into the email release, and that was the top. It also coincidentally came in right at our 55-cent level, which has been resistance before, and the price is currently down from that level essentially 15% in 3 days. So it's not a friendly move. But we're finding support at an area, which would be, basically this little mini inverted head and shoulders here. Finding some nice support at some previous levels of resistance so that it has flipped. So we'll see. Is this the final shakeout before the rise to the upside? Sometimes after these nasty moves, you get a strong reaction higher in price. Not always right away. Sometimes, but not always. So that's pretty much my run here on XRP. Don't know which way it's going. We'll see. We have, 38 to 40 cents down here as support. That's kind of the last line in the sand. If that doesn't hold, it's not good. XRP is probably going much lower. If we get a positive outcome, maybe it's today. I don't know. Who knows? Which would be the 15th of June. Maybe we get a rocket out of here, getting us up to that 63 to 68 cent level, which was my target based on some recent price action, although very conservative. If you get a positive for the lawsuit, probably going much higher than that. So you guys let me know down in the comments. Is the rally over for XRP? Are we heading down to that 38 to 40 cents? Are we heading back to 17 to 18 cent XRP? Is that nonsense? And XRP is poised to break out at any moment here and get us back up into that dollar range. Are we heading to 17 cents or are we heading to $1? Let me know in the comments. But 55 cents right now is a major iron wall, and it keeps proving that to us once, twice, now 3 times. So we could be in some volatile price action now until we get some kind of a settlement. And the settlement, depending on the outcome, should affect the entire market. If XRP gets clarity, it'll be the only cryptocurrency with clarity, which will be unbelievable for investors, for Ripple. I meant to say Ripple. If Ripple and XRP get clarity, it will be great for the entire market. But XRP and Ripple will be the only thing with clarity. Let's see, guys. What's going to happen here? Are we heading lower? Are we heading higher? Keep your eye on that Bitcoin chart as well. So far, support right at that 25,000 area. Maybe we get a little rally back up to 25,700 or so. You guys have a good one. Thanks for hanging around. I'll catch you in the next video.